folks, let's see what's going on at Skinner Screens today. Established 1972, making screen magic happen. Let's check out what's going on. It's been real busy. Had a huge hailstorm. We've got so many screens in here, we don't know what to do. If you ever wondered how we do so many window screens each week, each month, each year, we'll have people walk their screens in through our front door. On just the walk-ins, we'll count them up, then we'll take measurements on these, outside dimensions. So we'll get the width, and then we'll get the height. Then we'll make note of the type of hardware that it has. These screens have tension springs and little pull tabs down at the bottom. And this has been hail damaged right here. You can see the screen's all worn out, trashed by the sun. Then we write down our dimensions and we send our order in to our manufacturer. Hit us up for a little more info at Skinner Screens. Give us a call at 512-863-5145. Give us a like. If you have any comments, leave them in the section down below. Share this info with your friends and subscribe. Have a great day.